Another one. Airbnb not heating. Here, definitely not heating. I don't think that's right, Nest. We're not getting there in 30 minutes. All right. Let's see what we got here. Honestly, I've never been here before, so I have no idea what to expect. Half the lights work in the basement. Good. We got no filter. Let's see. Can we see anything? Just a solid light. I jumped it out. I'm not waiting for a Nest today. But the inducer motor immediately fired up. I'm almost wondering if the Nest is the reason. Find out in a moment. I mean, this thing's nasty, honest to God. There's like, see all the mildew growing from the freaking exhaust up there? I didn't see any. I didn't see any gas. I'm sorry. I didn't hear any gas flowing. Let me check something real quick. Check gas pressure. We're good there. Got the blue wire, which I believe is the main valve. Power in, because it comes from the pressure switch. Then goes up through there. So it would make sense that this pressure switch, voltage goes through that pressure switch. Yeah, boom. Alright, so we got 27 volts. I wonder if we have 27 volts between the two of them. Let's try this one more time. If we don't get 27 here, it may be that yellow wire. Or it's the gas valve. It's probably the gas valve, but gotta be sure. Alright, yeah, it's gas valve. Need a new one. You know, a little bit of convincing taps at the time of fire. She's alive. Yeah, don't we're still getting a new gas valve. It's not like we're just leaving this, but hey, it's running. Let's go, baby. Look at this coil. Come on, man. Come on. Couldn't just find a fucking 21 wide coil to put on there? No wonder this thing's running like doggy dookie. Match your coil cabinet to the furnace cabinet width. That's common sense, people. Come on now. I don't even know who installed this. President Air. President Air. Not very presidential service, I'd say. This is pretty poor.